I have come with a new topic today. So let's get started. Email marketing software, like how to use that. We have already discussed about the email marketing platform, what all platforms are there in the market, as well as I have explained the features on. Once you set up this tool on automation, it's like set and forget. So once you set this email marketing software, every day you don't need to send the email. Once you automate, once you program your email and you just write your automation, set the automation there and automatically this software will send the email to your leads, your customers. These are the points I'm going to cover here. These are 10 points I'm going to cover in this session. Select one email marketing platform. There are many I have already explained on that day. MailChimp, you can say ConvertKit, you can say Active Campaign. There are so many in the market. If you find in the Google, if you search in the Google, you will get many links. So what you need to do, you can just, I'm not taking here any one particular platform, but yes, I will show you because I use ConvertKit, so I can show you my ConvertKit screenshots and all. So find your email marketing software, and they have free trial as well. But in the free trial, you will not be able to do the automation. That is the main. If you do not need the automation, then you can use that free. And again, there is limitation in that in the free version. So build your email list. How can you build your email list? What you need to do, you need to just create the opt-in form from your ConvertKit or from your email marketing software, and you need to embed or you need to integrate with your website, with your landing page. Or else you can just create the landing page in your email marketing software. But yes, again, you have to embed or integrate with your website because again, it comes the branding. Like you have your brand name website, then you need to integrate that opt-in form on your website or on your landing. So once you do that, you need to promote, as we have already discussed about the social media platforms. So what are the social media accounts and what do we do on these social media accounts? So either you can post the contents, the valuable contents, and you can promote your services, or else you need to spend on advertisement, right? Like Facebook ads, Google ads, you can run that. So once you promote that, people will come and your email list will be built because they will come to your landing page and they will enter their details. So once they enter the details, you will get the details in your email marketing software. Okay. So what you need to do once you get the details there, you need to divide into the segments. Point number 3 is segment your audience. Suppose this is your lead, okay, and you are generating the lead for your webinar. So you can just give the name for that segment like leads for webinar. So once you divide all these audience, then you will have the different segments, and under those segments you have subscribers, you have leads there, or customer, paid customer. Okay. And number 4, that is automate your welcome email. What is this? Suppose somebody is coming into your system. So once they come into your system, they are becoming your lead, right? Once they become your lead, what you need to do, you need to send a welcome email to them. So what you need to do, you need to automate. So automate that welcome email so that you need not to send that welcome email manually. The software will send it automatically to the leads. The moment that lead comes into your system, your software is sending that welcome email to that email. So you need to create the engaging content so that people will come to your landing page and they will put the details there, like email address, their name, their phone number, everything. So once they do that, you will get the details into yours. And once they come into your system, still you need to engage them. You need to nurture them. So how you can nurture? You can send the value every day to them. Every day or once in a 2 days, you can do, right? So you need to create the engaging content. You need to write an email. That should be the engaging email. And then point number 6, that is, what is that? That is personalize your email. Like whenever you are sending the email to them, it looks it it seems like you are sending a personalized email. You are sending this manually. It looks like that. How? That we receive the data details of them. You can write their name there. Okay, because we have that feature in the email marketing tool, so that we can capture the first name from that lead data. Hey Raj, thank you for registering for my webinar, and this is the joining link. Please join this webinar on time by 8 o'clock in the evening now. So you can just personalize. You can call their name. So once you call their name, they feel like you are sending it manually. Yeah, it seems like that. Whatever the resources you are sharing on daily basis or alternate day basis, so you need to send that, you need to share the valuable content, valuable resource. Suppose you have posted a video on Facebook and you are sharing, but that video should have some value. You are sharing some success stories of your students. You have to share valuable resources while nurturing your leads. Because you got the leads, but now you have to nurture them. And once you nurture them, you need to invite them to your webinar or your free course or your free ebook. You can provide them, or you can just promote your paid group, but not immediately. While nurturing, after nurturing, like 6, 7 days, 8 days, 10 days, and then you can send that email saying that this is the offer for today. And if they want to, if they resonate with your values, then definitely they will go ahead and jump into your paid profile. Point number 8 is promote your potential. Once you nurture the leads, like 8 days, 9 days, you are sending, every day you are sending the valuable content. And then end of 10 days, you can just send an email to them. You can boost that email to them, saying that, like, today we have this offer and this is the paid program. If you want to jump into this program, just go ahead and do that. And this is the benefits, all these, everything you have to write there. If they have any question, they can call that number or they can email you to give your contact details as well in that email. Use automated sequence. Suppose you have already programmed the emails there one by one. Like every day you are sending these emails. So use automated sequence, because if you do it manually, you will not be able to do it. So as you are buying this email marketing tool, so definitely you can make a use of it and use this automation so that it will make your life easy. It will make your life easy. Point number 10 is announce events and webinars. So I would like to invite you to my upcoming events, to my upcoming webinar, that is live or that is physically. You can send the menu there, and if they want to join you, then you can just give the offer to them, and they will go ahead, and if they resonate with your value, with your contents, with your courses, then definitely they will jump into that. Okay. So these are the 10 points which we need to take care while setting up our email marketing software. I'll just give you the demo. Are you able to see my screen here? This is my email marketing software, and these are the segmentation. Like I have recorded webinar, I have this silver membership. These are the segmentation. This is the sequence actually. Like you can program your email like that. So you can say, hey, and this is, it will capture the subscriber first name. Whenever we are getting the details from the leads, like they are coming on the landing page, they are putting their details, their name, their email address, their phone number. So from that data, this software will capture this first name and it will say, hi, subscriber name. Hi, Ramesh. Congratulations. Thank you for registering for my webinar. Your spot has been confirmed for 90 minutes webinar. Join webinar here, right? So this is the link. I have given the link here. The moment we get the details, immediately this email will go to that link. So like that, we have different email here. This is the different email. Welcome to the family of lifelong learners, like that. So I have given the link here for Facebook VIP group. This is the different email. So everything, like I have given so many emails here. This is the heartfelt email I have written here. This is the long story. Next point I wanted to show you. This is the automation. That's how you can build this automation. Okay. These are many automations here. So like I have created many automations. So like that, it will work. Okay. So that's how you can just create your automation. Once you get the leads for different campaigns, and your campaign will send the emails to that automatically. You need not to do anything. The next point is, this is the broadcast. Suppose you have all the customers, all the leads there. Suppose you have 1,000 leads and you want to send the emails to them within a minute. So just click on new broadcast and you will be able to write the email that is the broadcast. Suppose you are going live after 20 minutes, you can send this kind of email like after 20 minutes we are going to live on YouTube at 8 p.m. today. It is amazing. Like it makes your life easy. Once you have this tool, you will be able to send this email the moment your lead enters the details on your landing page. The moment this software gets the lead, this software will send the email automatically to that tool. So how is this? Just write in the chat box, how is this tool? So you like that you can make a use of that, and it is very important in your digital coaching system, because whenever you get the leads, you will not be able to send the email manually. So your system should send the email immediately. Suppose somebody is coming into your paid program, they are buying your course. So immediately they should get the email for login details. These are the login details. Just enter your email, password, and you will be able to access this course on this platform. Along with the link, you have to send that email, and that should be automatic. So I have given few links in the description. If you have any question, write in the comment box. I am there to answer your question. I love to read the comments. And thank you so much. Thank you for joining me today.